Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. Neetu Singh, Assistant Professor in Physics, Government Nagarjun PG College of Science, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Today I am going to discuss antenna array. This topic is taken from Paper 1, Electrodynamics, Unit 4 of MSc Physics, 2nd Sem. Now, what is antenna array? Antenna array is nothing but simply combination of several similar radiating elements. Here I have shown two diagrams in which linear array example and two-dimensional array of microstrip patch antennas are shown. An antenna array is a set of suitably spaced similarly oriented antenna or aerials in which energy is radiated predominantly in same given direction. Accordingly, the resultant field developed by antenna array at a distant point will be the superposition of field. There are two types of array. Number 1, broadside array. It exhibits the marked directional properties in horizontal plane and in a direction normal to the line of array. The second one is end fire array. It exhibits the marked directional properties in horizontal plane and also in a direction along the line of array. Now the radiation from each constituent antenna is given by ER is equal to E maximum sin n psi by 2 sin upon sin psi by 2. In figure we can show the different parts of an antenna, in which the first part is transmitting antenna and the second part is receiving antenna. In transmitting antenna, the generator of transmitter is there. Also the transmission lines are shown, and the free space waves are radiating in 3 dimensions. These waves are received by the receiving antenna by the guided TAM wave, and the transition region of antenna is shown. From figure it is clear that the path difference between radiations from the consecutive antenna at a distant point P is d cos phi. This is also clear from the figure. Here we can see, and delta will be equal to 2 pi upon lambda d cos phi. If alpha is the progressive phase shift between elements, that is, it is the angle by which the current in any element leads the current in the preceding element, then the resulting phase difference between fields from two consecutive antenna will be given by psi is equal to 2 pi upon lambda d cos phi plus alpha. I have also discussed advantages and disadvantages of the antenna array. First I would like to discuss advantages. Possibilities to control electronically, direction of maximum radiation, directions of nulls, beam width, directivity, and levels of side lobes. And the disadvantages: direct consequence of mutual coupling can result in complete cancellation of radiated beam at some scan angle. So thank you very much.